Yeah, hi, morning Stephen. It's Mark FMAV. Just to let you know, we've done your other laser for you, and all is working there. So yeah, it's all good. Basically what we've done, we changed the laser for you, and also the top of this spindle was pushed too low, so them clampers are hitting these hard, I think. Because it was well packaged, so it hasn't happened during packaging, but I think it's been smacked on, and what they do is they tend to seize them up, if you get what I mean. So what I've done is I've lifted it, put a bit of glue in there for you, a bit of super glue, and I've managed to do that. But word of warning, if you know, I mean, obviously you do a few jukeboxes, when you try and take these up, okay, don't just do it one-sided. It has to be double-sided, so use two little terminal drivers is what I use, and you lift it up gently so it comes up straight, because if you tilt it, you bend the bar, and they are very easy to bend. Yeah, I've done it before. So it's just technique to get it done right, so both pressure either side if you ever want to do it yourself. But yeah, that's all working for you. That's going out today, okay, so you get that before Christmas. Obviously you've got 6 months warranty, parts and labour, mate, and we're very grateful for your business again, Steve. We're really grateful for that. You know, every bit of penny helps, especially nowadays. And you know, we don't make a lot out of it, as obviously you already know. But yeah, this should last you for a few more years yet. It's in pretty reasonable condition as well. Alright, Steve, well, happy holidays to you. Any problems, just give me a shout, and you know, we'll get you back and running or whatever. But you shouldn't have any issues anyway. So, but thank you very much. Best wishes to the family, and have a great Christmas. Cheers, buddy. That'll be going out today. Alright, so you should get that tomorrow. Thanks, Steve.